Hey, welcome back, my scrapping friends. I am Vanessa, and this is Scrapping It Up. Today I'm doing an album share with you guys. It's not a folio share, I guess is what I should say. This one here measures 10 by 11, and I did use kraft-tex binding. This is style number 3. In the last two videos, I showed you style number 1 and style number 2. This is style number 3, and I done this one with the Cozy Days from Simple Stories. Again, beautiful paper, guys. If you want to go pick the tutorial up, there are 7 different folios that you can make from this one tutorial. 7 different ones. So yeah, if you want to go pick it up, go to scrappingitup.com with no G and grab yours. They make nice Christmas gifts, and they're quick and easy. Very quick and easy. All right, let's dive in. This one's probably going to be a little harder to keep on camera. So you have this right here. Well, first, it opens up like this. Okay, so you have that side, you have the middle, and you have this side. All right, and I don't know if you've noticed, but this stems from the recipe album. I taught you guys how to make the recipe album, this one right here. I taught you right here on YouTube how to make that. These folios are from this recipe album. Because I know a lot of you don't like to make the big albums, you like the small folios. And one day I'm like, oh my gosh, I could be doing folios out of this. So that's what I've done. So here we have a pocket, and I just some of the tags from the collection. And it would have been cute if I would have put twine on these. And I still may do that. That would be cute. And then here's some photo mats. And like I said, I've got 4 more of these to decorate. They're not decorated yet. But they're coming. Now I'm probably going to get off there. So then you have a pocket here. Okay, pocket here. A pocket here. And then you know, collage these up, or you can just, you know, stick a photo mat like that. You have a pocket here and a pocket here. Okay. And these are really easy to make. Okay, so this side. So you open this up, and you have a pocket here and a pocket here. This paper, guys, is beautiful. I say that about every Simple Stories paper. I love Simple Stories. Simple Stories paper. I love it. So then you have a belly band here. And I did offset those. That's the way I wanted them. I think it looks neat. They're staggered. Here is this not pocket page. My scrap, or oh my gosh, I can't even remember. I've been saying it all day long. Patchwork page. Oh. And I just stuck a piece. I just kept it real simple. And used a couple of the cutouts from the collection, and then I backed it with the plain paper. I just kept it really simple. And then you have a nice big pocket here for a photo mat. Okay. Very cute. And you know, 3, 4, 5 hours, you could have this totally done and decorated. It doesn't take long. So then you have this side here. Look at that. How cute. That's the embellishment, or the bits and pieces from the collection. Ah, just beautiful. And this is paper from the collection too. It's the solid cardstock. So then these open. Am I going to stay in camera? Nope. Okay. Again, your belly band. And they are staggered. I just love that look, how they're staggered. And here is a patchwork page. Again, I just stuck some cards from the collection just to keep it simple and easy. And then you have a pocket right here. Look at that. I mean, it's beautiful, beautiful paper. I hope you guys will want to make these. Like I said, they make for wonderful Christmas gifts. I mean, they're just very nice, very nice. And this is one of them, I would say, that would hold well over 100. So most of them will hold 50, but there is some of them that will hold more than that. So there is now so far 1, 2, and 3 of the folios. I do have 4 more to decorate. I will get them done and get them on here so you can see what those are. So, okay, I'll put the link down below if you want to go purchase the tutorial from my website. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I hope you guys want to make these and do some scrapbooking. Yeah. Okay. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.